Next up, good old transmission removal. I'm going to separate it from the engine. So there are 7 bolts. I am going to label and bag them like thus, so I can remember which ones go back where, because they are all different sizes. Well, some of them are different sizes. Number 4 is a particular pain in the nutsack. It uses these bits called triple squares, which look like this if you have never seen one. This is the one that I used on my Boxster to get it out, but let me show you on the Cayman. This is where the bolt is, and this is my bit. So I literally can't even get the bit in because it is too long. So I had to order this set from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. That is a stubby set of these guys. So you can see that they are stubby. And the secret to use this even in the Boxster is that it is so narrow you cannot get a ratchet on the end of it. So you can see that these are grooved up by the neck here, and that fits a 10mm ratcheting wrench on it. So I had to put that on there, and luckily this one works. If you take it off, you can see that much of the thread is going to go into the bolt, and there's just barely enough to grip onto with this particular one to get it to work. So you can see just enough to get this turning, and what some people have done, I read, is once they get this bolt out, they actually replace it with a normal headed bolt so that they don't have to deal with that next time. It's interesting, my number 2 has a washer on it.
Got it.
Don't forget that 15mm nut. Okay, now let's try this again. I'm going to remove this plate now. It's got a bunch of T50s around it. Got a couple of locating pins on this thing that are holding it in place. All right, we got our clutch discs and stuff in here now. All right, set that aside. Go ahead and remove the flywheel. These are T55s. Oh, there she is. We have our first look at our IMS bearing. Ooh, that is crusty down there. And our rear main seal. That definitely needs to be replaced. And just as a reminder with our transmission, we have that guy. Goes right in there. And on the back of the transmission, we have one right here that came out with the transmission.